took the old draft inducer motor out, and there it is. You can see it's pretty much burned out. You can see how fried it is. And I just put this one in and installed it in. Now I'm just plugging it up, and we're gonna go ahead and hook the wires up. This consists of this. All right, so here we go. So we got the two whites. We got the white and the black hooked up. Okay, now we got to do this ground wire here. All right, put him in, and then I'll just kind of hold it, and hopefully we can get. It's kind of hard to get over there. Hold on, might have to kind of reach it in there first, and then bring in my flexible. Okay, and then the last thing to do is put the pressure switch back up, because that was kind of in the way at first, so I'll just put him back up where he belongs. Make sure that hose is all on there right correctly. All right, let's okay, that's back up where it belongs. Let me go check the thermostat real quick and see if it's on or off right now. And we'll reset that real quick. Definitely 45. Oh, it's only 45 in here. Wow. All right, let's turn it off real quick. All right, now let's go get the turn the furnace on. I'm really looking forward to this, because I figured out that it was the induction motor before, so I'm really looking forward to this working. Okay, got it back on. All right. Okay, let's go turn the thermostat on. Get that fire kicked on. All right, here we go. All right, let's give it some good heat. We'll bring them all the way up for a minute just to get it going. Okay, heat's on. All right, let's roll. Let's see what we can get in here. Draft it. If I did everything right, that draft motor should come on. Bam, look at it. Look at it go. It came on. Look at it go. Okay, I heard it. Boom! Haha! Look! Perfect! Came right on, right on. Look at that. Haha! Yes! You got the little steady heartbeat. That means everything's working. When it goes bright, dim, back and forth, that indicates everything's working very well. Look at it go. Oh yeah! Look at my little draft inducer motor run. Doing his thing. All right, good job. We did it. All right, it's rolling. All right, so I took out the limit switch there, and I kind of cleaned it. I reset the system with the breaker in here and everywhere. I took the vent out. I mean, it's in really bad shape, so it may have been blocking airflow. I'm pretty sure it is, as dirty as that looks. It might have been overheating inside the unit. So I'm timing it now again. And see, right now everything's working good. It's pretty cool. So let's just see how it does now. See if it has a problem. So far it's doing good. Flame sensor's looking okay. It's blowing right. This little key things I have to check for. Right now I'm just kind of seeing, looking around here and checking it out. Well, we got the good status light so far. Our low draft motor I put in is doing real good, doing its thing, perfect. I suspect maybe that vent was just making it overheat. It wasn't getting no airflow. So let's still see something here with the vents, because I know earlier when I was out here they weren't really blowing much, so that could have been that filter. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's blowing much better now than it was when just by pulling the filter out. I think that was probably blocking airflow. Let's see. Yeah, we definitely got airflow now. We didn't earlier. I wasn't getting hardly anything, so that filter was probably blocking the system and making it overheat. And then these vents, the venting system is really dirty as well, so that's not helping any. I mean, just look at this. Look how dirty the vents are. No, but that's another thing. It's not the best HVAC system. Definitely get some air blowing though. So I think if this keeps running without the filter, we definitely need a filter, and that would probably solve. That's probably all it needed. It's definitely blowing. And all the yeah, let's see here. As long as it keeps rolling, then we have that situated. So I got it set to 90 right now, just to see how warm it can get in here, how well it works. Keep it running for a while. All right, we're still running. Yeah, we're still running good. All right, and see how long we can make it go. All right, still at 341. Still rolling good. Yeah, I think it just overheated from that bad filter right there. That's going to be my best guess. So far so good since I did that. Yeah, we're at 10 minutes, so I'm pretty sure we're good to go. It would have overheated by now, for sure, if it had been any other issues. So, all right, go ahead and put him back on. It feels nice and cool now. I mean, heat is measured inside the unit, but after 10 minutes, I would say it's good, because those limit circuit faults usually go for 4 minutes, and that's what it did last time. It shut down within 4 minutes. So I think we are golden now. Yeah. All right. Well. Okay. See how hot it gets. See how much is warming up in there. Definitely can feel the difference already. It's definitely warming up a little at a time. It's getting warmer already here. You can feel the difference. Yeah, it's now 51. So we'll let her. All right. Well, I found that one that was behind it is really pretty new, so we're just gonna throw him in, and there we go. Yeah, that was definitely old. Alrighty. Let's have a look. So I've been running this for hours now, and finally it's up to 69 degrees in here, so it's nice and toasty. I left it at 76, so once it gets there, it'll be cool. It's shut off. All right, it's feeling nice and warm in here. Repair is done. Just as you can see, it's been running for hours, doing great. See, everything's working great. See that? In my little inductor, inducer draft motor, draft inducer, inducer draft. Yeah, doing great. Just want to check that one more time. It's all about having the right filter, you know. So everything's good now.